Discovering sledge hockey, an exciting sport on ice. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that combines sports, inclusivity, and teamwork. Sledge Hockey Clinic. Whether you're a sports enthusiast or just curious about unique athletic activities, this video will give you an insightful look into a sport that brings people together from all walks of life. Let's get started. Sledge hockey, also known as para-ice hockey, is an adaptive sport designed for individuals with physical disabilities. It follows similar rules to traditional ice hockey, but players sit in specially designed sledges that glide on two ice skate blades. They use two sticks, not only to hit the puck but also to propel and maneuver themselves on the ice. This sport showcases incredible skill, strength, and determination, offering a platform for athletes with disabilities to compete at high levels, including the Paralympic Games. In the world of sports, a clinic refers to a training session or workshop focusing on the development of skills and techniques. It's an opportunity for participants, whether beginners or more experienced athletes, to learn from coaches and professionals. A clinic might cover the basics for newcomers or advanced strategies and training methods for seasoned players. It's all about learning, improving, and enjoying the sport. A sledge hockey clinic combines the sport's unique aspects with the educational benefits of a clinic. It's an event where individuals of all ages and abilities can come together to learn about sledge hockey, practice their skills, and even try the sport for the first time. These clinics are not only about honing athletic abilities but also about fostering a sense of community, inclusivity, and mutual respect among participants. They're a fantastic way for people to discover the sport, make new friends, and maybe even ignite a passion for sledge hockey. Participating in a sledge hockey clinic offers numerous benefits. It's a chance to learn a new sport that challenges and excites, build physical strength and coordination in a fun, supportive environment, meet new people and become part of a community, develop teamwork and communication skills, vital on and off the ice, experience inclusivity and diversity firsthand, understanding the value of sports as a unifying force. We hope this video has shed light on what a sledge hockey clinic is and why it's an incredible opportunity for anyone interested in trying something new, challenging themselves, and being part of a supportive community. Sledge hockey is more than a sport. It's a testament to the human spirit's resilience and the joy of coming together to achieve greatness, regardless of physical limitations. Thank you for watching, and we encourage you to explore sledge hockey further, whether as a participant, a spectator, or a supporter. Until next time, keep learning and stay inspired.